In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix limited by budget in Google Ads. So when your campaign is marked as limited by budget in Google Ads, it means your daily budget isn't enough to cover the traffic your campaign could achieve. This can restrict your ads from reaching their potential, and then that might lead to a possible issues about this. So in order to fix that, first go to the campaign section and then adjust your daily budget in there. And also, I almost forgot, since I don't have data in here about the limited by budget, assumingly we have a datas in here. So assumingly we have a campaign in here that mark as limited by budget, and that is the budget that we're going to adjust. So in this case, I don't have yet one. So to give you all an idea, I'm just using this as for an example. So set your budget to your desired budget, and then that's it. Once you're done setting up or adjusting your budget, the limited budget mark on your campaign will disappear. And that's it. That's how you fix the limited budget issue in Google Ads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.